Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
No, a car will not start with a bad fuel pump. The fuel pump is crucial for delivering fuel from the tank to the engine. A malfunctioning fuel pump fails to supply the necessary fuel pressure, leading to the engine not starting or stalling shortly after starting. Immediate attention from a professional is advised to avoid being stranded or further damage to the vehicle.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.